This is the Iron Trader. It is Tuesday morning, so we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, on crude oil, the API report will be out today at 4:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old crude ski, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, it pretty much tells you everything, okay? Now, here we have bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, possible bear flag, but it closed above that candle, negated the pattern. Now, we had some really nice run up. Now, yesterday it went above the 21-day, but look where it did. It closed below that key 21-day, okay? So that is going to be very critical on today. Another one I want to show you here is where it went up to. Look at this 8 SMA that I pointed out. See? Where did that price go? Right into it. Look at all the things. Once that price gets below that 8 SMA here, it is hell to pay to try to get above. The key is it's got to get above. Now, here's the key levels we have to look at today. Right here, first of all, is going to be this 21 SMA here. You're looking at 73.41. That is going to be very crucial. And then what we want to do here is you want to look at this candle here, which is basically 74.61, which lines up pretty nice here with the 21-day of 74.99. Okay, so upside, watch the 21-day, watch yesterday's high, 74.61, and then this is going to be the critical one at 74.98. Very key. Now you need to close above for it to go higher. Okay, now on the downside here, well, what we want to do is you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. Now you can see where it came all the way down. It held it yesterday. Came all the way down, but held it, okay? This is why you trade the chart. See how easy that is? Now, the key is going to be holding that 71.32. That is going to be crucial. Now, again, if that is lost, then we look to yesterday's candle at the bottom of it, okay? So you're looking at 70.99. And then what we have here, you have 70.64 here. Then we looked at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 69.89. And we looked at the bottom of this candle here. 69.54, and then we just ratchet this all the way on down. You got 69.11 here, you got 68.80, we have 68.22, and then your big retest here is that 67.71. Very crucial level. So again, if that 71.32 is lost, your big target is going to be that 67.71. If that's lost, we come to this candle here that I've been pointing out here for weeks. This is that 67.05. Crucial level, okay? If that's lost, we come here, 65.38, 64.36, big retest here, 63.64. Now, the key is going to be this 8 SMA here at 71.32, and the key is going to be this 70.57. So even if this sells all down, but still holds this 200 SMA here, that might be a good buying opportunity here, okay? Very crucial. Now, you look at this candle here, came all the way down, but you notice for the week it closed back up. Last week's candle, all the way down with a lower low, but closed back up. So far, we're holding that key 200 SMA here, so it's kind of like a ping pong situation here. So bottom line is this, watch that 8 SMA here, watch that 200 SMA here. Very crucial on the downside. If that's lost, here's your target, 67.71. These are your intermediate targets. There's your big target. Okay, upside, you want to watch that 21-day, 73.40. If you can get above, you watch yesterday's high, 74.61. And then here's the big boy right here at 74.98. Now, again, if you can get above all that here, then we can start ratcheting up here. You got 76, and then we come up to your 200 SMA here. What do we got there? Let me get this. Okay, so we come up to the 200 SMA here. You're looking at 77.75, and then we have your 50-day right above that at 78.45. Okay, so again, it's going to take something. Now, I guess there was something they're attacking some kind of the ships out there that are hauling the crude oil and your refined products there. So that's not good here. But again, you want to just trade the charts here to see how this is all going to go out. Now, usually seasonality is you buy it first week of December, and then you sell it into the first week of January. Now, I had a nice run up. I held the UCO here. I basically held some and then I scalped it all the way up here. Sold out yesterday because obviously it couldn't get to this right there. That's the key level there. Okay, so basically here today here, just watch these key levels here. If you can get above here, then we can just keep ratcheting it all the way on up here. If it goes higher here, and then we always want to watch that price channel at 79.60, which is the top of this candle right here. And then this candle right here, which is also significant, 79.77, okay? Because that was the real nice double top going on there and a real nice short also here, okay? So now your RSI here, well, that could go either way. You have plenty of room to run here. You still have a nice bullish cross here, though. See, your green is above your red. That's still looking very, very good here. RSI here on your weekly, that's got room to run here. This is still bearish here. Your green is below the red. But again, if it can curl back up here, then we can shoot right on up here. The key is going to be here, this 8 SMA here, because look how many times it's hit it here, and this key 200-day. So right now, as this 8 SMA is going to come down here, your 200-day here, something's going to give. She's going to shoot one way or the other. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natural gas. Big old chart here. You can see this here. It ran all the way up to that 10.02, okay? Came down, and look at the sideways action it's been doing here. So let me just big this up a little bit here. Okay, now we're talking. All right, well, it ran up. He had a really nice 4-day run, but where did it go? Right into that 200 SMA, okay? So right there, 2.61. Right above it is we have 2.64. That is going to be your big time resistance. Now you can see where these candles, this is what they call a tweezer top, okay? Ran right in there and then sold right on off here. Couldn't get through it. Very, very key. Now, on a closing basis, you need to close above this key 2.43. That is your 8 SMA. Needs to close above. If that is lost here, then we just follow the candles right down, okay? You got 2.38 here. You got 2.328, and then we just ratchet right here, okay? 2.29, 2.27, and then your big retest down here is 2.23. That would be your target if you close it below this key 8 SMA at 2.43, okay? Now, if it holds here, well, then what we want to do is we want to look to the top of this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 2.54. Then we look at top of yesterday's candle, sitting at 2.59. And then we have this 200-day, 2.61. And then we have your 21 SMA here, sitting at 2.64. Now, again, if it could rally up here, we can follow these candles all the way on up here, okay, until we hit the 2.84 and then 2.96. But we don't worry about that because that until you can close above this key 200-day and 21-day. This is sideways to down. Okay, you can see the 8-day still waterfall. You can see the 21-day waterfall. You can see the 50-day rolling over here. Not good pattern. So this is basically a sideways to down action right now, but it's a good scalper. Okay, this is the key here. Now UNG, BOIL for the long. These are ETFs. And KOLD. Now, these are not vehicles here that you buy and hold. Oh, I'm going to go for a long term. These are scalping products. They rebalance every day here. Do not buy and hold these. You can swing trade these, week to weeks. You can scalp them daily here, but it's not something I'm going to buy now and I'm going to hold for 2-3 years. It does not work like that with ETFs. Okay, let's look here at the RSI here. Well, that's nothing to write home about. She's coming right back down to here again. Your MACD here is trying to work it like a circus monkey here, trying to get that green above the red here, but so far nothing. So again, if you can hold this key 8 SMA here, this might be a really nice scalping to go right back up here to that 200-day. So bottom line, watch that 8 SMA here, and if that's lost, we follow the candles all down. Your big retest 2.23. Upside, watch yesterday's high 2.59. If you can get above, you have your 200 right there at 2.61 and your 21 at 2.64. All right, that's what I got for you on the old crude and natty gas. I'll be back after the pit close at 2:30, and we will review crude oil and natural gas again. Thanks for watching.